hair wig company. It's probably the company that I've ordered human hair from for the longest, and that is Nadulahair. I absolutely love them. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for sticking with your girl as we get ready to head into 2026. And we're getting ready to do that giveaway because I'm about to hit 70K, and I'm super excited about that. If you are new here, my name is Jessica, and I cannot comb hair. I just enjoy playing in hair and makeup. I'm nowhere near professional, a slayer, or any of those things. I just enjoy playing, like I said, in hair and makeup. And Nadula allows me to do that because they are a super beginner friendly and very affordable company. If you look down in the description box, I'll put all of their socials and a direct link to this wig. Well, let's look at the wig before you click on the link though. Let's make sure that we like it. Now, I really do enjoy Nadula's packaging. So the unit comes in this bowling bag, style bag, or toiletry bag. And like I say all the time, I use these bags for everything except storing my wigs. So I really do love this storage case. Then the wig comes in a hard box, which is really nice for storage. This is what I keep my wigs in my wig room because it's a lot. So then it comes in this hard box. And then when we open the box, we have the wig, but we also have some extras that Nadula include that I do actually use. We have a silk storage case. So I just stored the wig in the box, and then I take a picture of myself and put it on the wall so I can know which wig is in the box. We also have an edge band with their branding on it and a pack of wig caps. So things that we do actually use. The wig that I ordered is a 7x5 check, affordable and beginner friendly Byebyeknots lace wig. It is the new finger coily wigs that you've been seeing a lot of. This one is 20 inches long, but this one comes in one of my most favorite colors this year, and that is T128. Let's take it out of this packaging so y'all can see this color up close. Y'all. Listen to how low my voice got because I'm excited. You're like, okay, just curly. Bam. Y'all, look at that. How pretty is this? Ooh, y'all. Get up close so you guys can see that up close. That is super pretty. That T128 has been my favorite color, one of my favorite colors. I've ordered a straight wig in this color from Nadula. I've also gotten a body wave in this color from Nadula and a loose wave. I just love this color. Okay, so very, very pretty. This cap construction is also very, very pretty. It's a 7x5, which is, I think, the most beginner-friendly human hair wig option that you can get because you can part it left, right, middle, half up, half down, and not feel overwhelmed like I do by like a 13x4 or 13x6. So I love the 7x5. And then in the back, we get an adjustable glueless band. We get an extended comb in the back. And my most favorite part, we get the drawstring because this drawstring allows me to adjust the wig to fit comfortably on my head to where it's not too loose, not too tight, any of those things. I love the drawstring, okay? It's so much easier than anything else. Look at this right out of the pack, how good that looks. Yeah, I can tell I'm gonna love this one. Let me plop it on my head and I'll give you a 360 and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Tell me
my final thoughts on this unit from Nadula, and y'all know that I'm in love with this. I don't know why I've fallen in love with finger coils the way I have, but oh y'all, I have. Like, I absolutely love them. I put some footage in, I'm pretty sure I did, of the, maybe I put it right there too, of me with the finger coils unpicked out, because I just did it ever so slightly to a few, and I left some of them intact. And so I think it's really pretty like that, to be honest, even though I would be sitting somewhere looking like one of them Victorian dolls. Okay. But that is very, very pretty. So I did take it though. And if you look here, I just finger pulled a few of them apart. Some of them I left intact. And y'all, I just think this is so gorgeous. Y'all know that's a telltale sign on if I really love a wig. If I pull some half up, half down. And I was able to do that with this unit from Nadula. So I am absolutely in love. The color set it off. The color took it to another level. I have reviewed this wig in all black from Nadula and loved it. So I knew that I would love this one as well. This one is just winner chicken dinner. I can definitely recommend this one. Like I said, I've done it in black. I want to say they have a burgundy-ish color. They might. Look around on the website. I know they are having a sale on their website. So if you are into this wig, I do encourage you to go get it right now while it's on sale during the holidays. This is the perfect holiday hair unit. I might even rock this for Thanksgiving. Okay, the color just screams Thanksgiving, and the curls scream, is it drunk auntie? No, this is messy cousin, which I don't mind being that either. So look down in the description box. You'll see a direct link, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.